Yo dudes!
Welcome to creamy Tuscan bean soup. This is delicious, heartwarming and so nourishing.
Packed full of fibre, plant diversity, takes 30 minutes to make from start to finish and is so tasty. It can be eaten as a soup or as a stew and goes incredible with some crusty sourdough bread. First step, take your pan, pop it on high heat and in goes a tablespoon of olive oil. In goes one onion which we've finely diced. The reason why we diced it finely is just it increased the surface and area, enabling more room for caramelization and browning. Okay, we've got 2 cloves of garlic finely diced, in they go. Obviously use slightly less if you want to make it less garlic, but this really does function as a foundation base flavours. Along with that we have a sun-dried tomato. So this is not an oil, this is a sun-dried tomato, this is an organic one, and which we're taking 5 of them, we've just diced them up where they're just nice and small. They're going to add flavour, texture and just more variety to this dish.
They'll add a great sweetness as well. I find they really add a delicious sweetness to it. So we've got a little bit of dried thyme, approximately 1 teaspoon, and we're going to a little bit of chili flakes. Okay, you'll see our pan, it's beginning to brown around the edges. This is a technique known as deglazing and just helps take more flavour. We're going to take some white wine, it's going to bring acidity and bring a slight bit of sweetness. 150 ml, in it goes, it is going to sizzle. And we want to leave that to cook off some of that alcohol in it, not some of it, all the alcohol in it. And just scratching some of those brown bits because that's flavour development. Okay, once it's deglazed, looking good, we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of miso. Miso is going to function with that deep umami. Now, traditionally in a soup like this, it'd be a parmesan rind. We want to keep this plant-based, so we're going to go 1 tablespoon of white miso. Along with that, we've about 400 ml of veg stock. And we've got 2 tin of butter beans, cannellini beans, or beans of choice. We've drained and rinsed these. This is approximately 500 grams of beans. We want to make this a little bit creamier. We're going to go with 200 ml of coconut milk. Obviously leave it out if you don't want. And this traditionally isn't in the recipe, coconut milk. Coconuts grow a long way from Italy. We're going to put in 2 tablespoons of tomato puree just to add a slight tomato note and play. And also to give that kind of red colour as well, a kind of deeper colour to this dish. Wow, this is going to be fantastic.
We're going to season this with salt and black pepper, generous pinch of salt, a little bit of black pepper. And then to up the nutritional profile, we have some cavallonero, also known as some black Russian kale or dinosaur kale. Just remove it off the stalk and we'll stack them up there.
It's a great winter veg, really is. And once again, just make sure that you take it off the centre stem and then just break it up nice and small so it is small bite-sized pieces.
Okay, final touch just to bring a little bit of acidity to this and just to add a bit of vibrancy. Take a lemon or lime, make sure it's unwaxed and just lightly grate in the skin of it using a microplane.
Zest. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all that is left to do is take a decent fudge of delicious, your favourite bread of choice. This is a delicious sourdough spelt bread. I'm going to go straight in and...
Oh, that is it's so nourishing. And just go...
Fudge bread, I'm having this for dinner. This is just outstanding.
Ladies and gentlemen, Tuscan bean stew, creamy, took 20 minutes from start to finish, packed according to John Butner, who was founder of the Blue Zones, one of the key superfoods is a bean, and that typically a bean would make up approximately 50% of their diet.
Yeah, some of the longest living populations. So, delicious soup, really simple and easy. I'm so surprised how easy this was and how quick it was. We're Jade and Steve from the Happy Pear. We're all about helping you to eat more veg, more whole, real foods. They're better for you and better for the planet. We've got thousands of recipes on our app. Our recipe club is $3.99 a month with this great support and accountability there. So I'll put a link to that too.
Thanks, Mel, for watching. Loads of love. Bye.
Bye. Cheers.